I'm Colin from Mec Air Pneumatics and Hydraulics Limited, main air suppliers for over 40 years for pneumatics, valves, cylinders, solenoid valves, Mec Air, dust valves, actuators, repair kits, DB16 diaphragms, all different size seal kits and solenoid coils, food grade braided tubing in all different sizes, polyurethane, nylon tubing, rubber tubing, filter regulators, Mec Air Nova, stainless steel actuators, also in aluminium, repair kits available, pushing fittings, various sizes and Mec Air repair kits. We offer free technical support, also help with those particularly difficult non-standard projects or any emergency breakdowns. Ring 07881 948 371 and general inquiries sales@mecair.co.uk